Hey everyone, today I'm going to review the GolfLogix app. So GolfLogix is a golf app made to help players understand the course better while they play. So instead of just guessing distances or trying to figure out where to aim, the app gives you useful course information right on your phone. So this can be helpful for golfers who want a clear view of the hole before taking their next shot. And when you open the app, the first thing you'll notice here is that it is focused on GPS and course tracking. It can show distances to the green, hazards, and other important areas on the course. So this is useful because it helps players make better decisions, especially when they are not familiar with the course. And one of the main features of GolfLogix is the course map. You can look at the layout of each hole, see where you are on the course. This makes it easier to plan your shot and avoid areas that could make the game harder. The app also has green maps and putting information, which can be helpful when you're trying to understand the slope and direction of the green. Another good thing here about the app is that it can track your score and keep your round organized instead of writing everything down manually. You can use the app to follow your progress while playing, so this makes the experience more convenient and keeps everything in one place. So overall, GolfLogix is a useful app for golfers who want extra guidance on the course. It may be especially helpful for players who like using GPS, course maps, and scoring tools during their round. The app is simple enough to understand, but it still gives helpful information that can improve the way you play. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.